Hello everybody and welcome back to Columbus Aviation. Today I have a big package and I believe this is the first unboxing of this specific model. This is the United Express operated by GoJet, I believe. Bombardier CRJ-550. This is GeminiJets' first United Express release in over 4 years. So this is a really big release, and as far as I know, there are not any other unboxings of this model yet. So let's hop right on into this unboxing. Taking a look at the box here. Sorry about the shelf space. It's quite limited at the time. It's one of the smaller GeminiJets boxes. For reference, here is a normal GeminiJets size box for narrow bodies. And if you want even more reference, here's an NG Models 737 box in comparison. So that's that. Uh-oh, I knocked over some of my boxes. So let's take a look at this model. Opening up the flap, you can see all of the standard information about the model, including the actual pictures of the aircraft. It's a little blurb. Sorry about the glare there, and the information. So let's pop this on open. All right, here we have it, the model outside of the box. Let's pull it on out of its shell and see how it looks. All right, here is the wonderful United Express GoJet CRJ-550 from GeminiJets. So let's take a look at the nose section here. Down there you can see by the cockpit windows, whoa, sorry, I do not have a pointer today. By the cockpit windows you can see the little underneath, the Bombardier CRJ, probably 700 text. And also the Star Alliance logo next to the door. Underneath the first window, which is blocked, you can see operated by GoJet Airlines, and some other details like the aircraft type on the gear door. Moving down, you can see the wonderful Evo Blue United Express titles and the emergency exit row. Coming down to the winglet, if it would ever focus, you can see the nice United Blue, same on the opposite side, and the registration, including its American flag, November 506, Golf Juliet. Moving down, you've got the nice blue engines and the blocked door. I really love that about the CRJ series. And then you've got the APU back there, and the little stripe that comes up and along the body. Coming to the tail, the T-tail, with the updated United globe and the horizontal stabilizers. So let's take a look at the other side. All right, starting from the tail on the opposite side, we've got the same stripe coming down, same little, or not little bit, same engines and globe, which looks really nice. I love the I love the new United livery, if you can even call it new anymore. We've got the same winglets there, the blue winglets, which look very nice. Emergency exit row, United Express titles, which it's insane to be seeing a United Express release from GeminiJets. The operated by GoJet Airlines titles and the little mini door on the right, along with another Star Alliance logo. Then, if we want to take a look at the front, we can as well. You've got the cockpit windows, wipers, and the little thing. And let's spin this around, take a look at the back side. Got the back of the engines. This surface is a little uneven, sorry about that. And we've got, the profile. So, taking a look at this model, I think this is a really, really, really amazing model. And I'm so pleased that GeminiJets finally released something like this. This is going to greatly benefit my upcoming model airports, and it just looks really, really nice. And it's going to be very realistic for upcoming services and stuff, so I'm really glad about this. With that being said, there's not much more to say here. It's a lovely model, and it's going to go great with the rest of my collection, which you can kind of see in the back, which will be expanding even further very soon. So with that being said, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe so I can hit 200 subscribers very soon. And check out some of my other content. Thank you very much. Columbus Aviation, signing out.